Myself Shraddha Kapartiwar, teaching in LP Samani Vidya Bhavan. Today we will start 5th standard first lesson, The Fish Tale. Deep under the sea, see the lovely colored fish swimming peacefully. This special poem in the 3 lines is called a haiku. Such poems about nature are popular in Japan. Here is another haiku. The lake calm, smooth, still. A fish jump up and return. Ripple shake the lake. This 3 line poem is known as a haiku in Japan, which is very popular and which is related to nature. Do you know any poem about fish? If you know any poem about fish, you will write the name or a poem. Here are some drawings made by children. These such drawings are made by the children. When you think of fish, what shape comes to in your mind? When you heard a name of fish, then which shape or which image comes to your mind that you have to draw? Try to use a square and a triangle to draw a fish. Here is the square and this is the triangle. That means with the help of square and triangle, the image of fish is like this. Look for fish design around you on cloth, in paintings, on mat, etc. जैसे कि फ़िश की जो डिज़ाइन है वो अपने आजू बाजू अपने घर में अपने चारों तरफ आपको ढूंढना है ऑन क्लॉथ इन पेंटिंग ऑन मैट एक्सेट्रा. मीन मीन्स अ फिश एंड मीनाक्षी इज़ अ गर्ल हु आइज इज़ लुक लाइक अ फिश. मीन का मतलब होता है फिश और मीनाक्षी कि जो एक गर्ल है उसकी आंखें बिल्कुल फिश की तरह है. कैन यू थिंक ऑफ समवन हु हैज़ सच आइज़. क्या आप सोच सकते हो कि किसी की आइज़ इस तरह से हो सकती है? Such type of question that you have to write answer yes or in no. Can you think someone who has such eyes? If yes, then yes, I can think of someone whose eyes such like such eyes. Draw a face with fish eyes. Fishes can have very different size. The smallest fish is about 1 centimeter. जो छोटी से छोटी फिश होती है वो 1 सेंटीमीटर इतनी लंबी होती है. Now here is question. How long is the biggest fish you can imagine? Yes, so I can imagine a fish about 18-meter long. Whale shark is as long as a 18-meter. Now here is the second question. How many times longer is your big fish than the smallest fish? As we know here, the smallest fish having length is 1 centimeter long. So we will take over here the smallest fish is about 1 centimeter and the long and the longest fish is about 18-meter long. But here the units are different. So first we will convert this in same unit, that means in centimeters. So we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 18 meter that we have to convert into centimeter. For this we multiply 100 centimeters. So answer is 1800 centimeter longest. The biggest fish is the whale shark. It is actually not a whale but is a big fish. Whales are different from fish. Whales breathe like we do. Now schools of fish. Fish like to swim together in the sea in big groups called schools of fish. In their school they feel safe from the bigger fish. Do you feel safe in your school? जो फ़िश होती है, जो छोटी छोटी समुद्र में जो बहने वाली फ़िश होती है तैरने वाली, वो हमेशा ग्रुप करके ही रहती है. उसको हम बोलते हैं स्कूल्स ऑफ फिश. इन देयर स्कूल दे फील वेरी सेफली. एज यू फील वेरी सेफ इन योर स्कूल, सो दे आल्सो फील सेफ फ्रॉम बिगर फिश. scare away the bigger fish, some small fish drink up a lot of water, swell up and look big. To scare away the bigger fish, जो छोटी छोटी मछलियाँ होती है, जो बड़े मछली को डराने के लिए सम स्मॉल फिश ड्रिंक अप अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर, ऐसे छोटी छोटी मछलियाँ बहुत सारा पानी पी लेती है. स्वेल अप यानी ऐसे फूल जाती है. इट्स लुक बिग. Jinsi used these shapes to make a drawing of fish. She is a Jinsi that she make drawing of fish. Now you also use some shape to draw the different sea animals show below. That means Jinsi use such shapes to draw fish. You have to use same shapes and draw different animals. Here some animals: sea urchin, lobster, eel and red snapper. And the second question is, so 12 children like you put together will weigh about dash kg. So we know weight of one child is 25 kg. So 12 children like you put together will weigh about dash kg. So weight of one child is 25 kg. So what we have to find out? We have to find weight of 12 children. So weight of 12 children is equal to 12 multiplied by 25. So answer is, if we multiply here, 300 kg. Now third question is about how much more does the whale shark weight than 12 children like you put together. Much more. That means we have to find out the difference between the weight of shark and the weight of 12 children. So here the difference in weight, that means weight of shark minus weight of 12 children. As we know, weight of shark is 16,000 kg minus weight of 12 children is 300 kg, that we have already solved. So 300 kg. So if we subtract over here, the answer is 15,700 kg. So next is the fish tail. To see the difference between the whale and fish, look carefully at their tails. हमें व्हेल और फिश दोनों में से डिफरेंस पहचानने के लिए हमें उनकी फिश की टेल्स को देखना ज़रूरी है. कैन यू सी फिश टेल्स स्टैंड फ्लैट अलॉन्ग इट्स बॉडी? क्या हम देख सकते हैं कि ये जो क्या आप देख सकते हो कि ये जो फिश की जो टेल है, बिल्कुल फिश टेल स्टैंड फ्लैट अलॉन्ग इट्स बॉडी, बिल्कुल चिपकी हुई है. बट कैन यू स्पॉट द फिश इन द पिक्चर? और ये जो व्हेल की होती है, बट द टेल ऑफ द व्हेल ऑलमोस्ट लुक लाइक अ टू लेग. ये जो व्हेल की जो टेल होती है, ये जो बिल्कुल पैरों की तरह दिखती है. Through their noses, but fish have no noses and they take in water, not air. Whales give birth to babies, but fish lay eggs. The whale shark fish look big and dangerous, but is quite harmless. It does not attack human. For simply, I make a chart over here, whale, shark and fish. How differ they from each other? Whale breathe like we do, that is by nose, and fish have no nose, they breathe in water. Whale give birth to babies and fish lay eggs. One whale shark was as long as 18 meters, as we discussed in this problem. Just think how long that is. Almost 12 children of your size standing one on top of the other, and क्या आप सोच सकते हो कि आपके जैसे 12 बच्चे अगर एक दूसरे के ऊपर ऐसे खड़े कर दिया जाए तो उसकी लेंथ लगभग कितनी होनी चाहिए? एंड गेस व्हाट इट वेट, और उसका वेट कितना होगा? वेल मच मच मोर देन व्हाट 12 यू टुगेदर वेट, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपके 12 बच्चों जितना वेट होगा. बट इट्स वेट वॉज 16,000 kg. बट ये जो लॉन्गेस्ट व्हेल शार्क है उसका वज़न, उसका वेट कितना है? 16,000 kg. Now there are 3 questions. First, about how many kilogram do you weigh? I will take here 25 kg. But here you may take 12 kg, 19 kg, 15 kg as you know. In this picture there are some sea animals. Which of these sea animals have you seen before? If you seen before, then search from here. Now fishermen in their boats. How many of you have seen the sea? Where did you see it? Did you see it in a movie or for real? How deep do you think the sea could be? Find out. In such questions, see in this question, total 4 questions are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here the answer is, I have seen the sea and many of my friends have also seen the sea. I have seen the sea at Dwarika. If you visit anywhere, so you will write the name any of instead of this Dwarika. During a trip, I have also seen a sea in movie. The sea should be at least 1,000 feet deep. तो कितना गहरा होना चाहिए उन्होंने पूछा था, तो sea should be at least 1,000 feet deep, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. Now did you know how to swim? आपको तैरना आता है? Would you be scared of the high sea wave? क्या आपको लहरों से डर लगता है? तो आप इसका आंसर yes और no में भी लिख सकते हो. जैसे yes, I know how to swim, and yes, high waves are scared. Otherwise, no, I don't know how to swim, and yes, high waves are scared. Now again there are 2 questions. Close your eyes and imagine the sea with waves rising high. आप अपनी आंखें बंद करके समुंदर की लहरों को देख के आप इमेजिन करो कि वो किस तरह से दिखती है. How high do you think the wave can go? और जो समुंदर की लहरें हैं वो कितनी दूर तक जा सकती है. So the first answer is high sea waves look really very beautifully, and I think sea waves are goes 50 meter long. So this is the answer 1 and this is the answer 2. Imagine that there are fishermen in their boat. Going up and down with waves. They start their trip when it is still dark. Some go on a simple boat made from logs of wood tied together. If the sea is rough with very high tides and a strong wind, then these fishermen have a very difficult time. Have you seen in this picture? This type of boat is known as a log boat. Imagine that there are fishermen in their boat. आप इमेजिन करो कि फिशरमैन अपने अपने बोट्स में हैं कि जो जा रहे हैं और आ रहे हैं विद द वेव्स, और लहरों के साथ वो जाते भी हैं और आ भी रहे हैं. दे स्टार्ट देयर ट्रिप व्हेन इट स्टिल डार्क. जब तक अंधेरा नहीं होता तब तक वो अपनी ट्रिप करते ही रहते हैं, मछलियाँ पकड़ते ही रहते हैं. सम गो ऑन अ सिंपल बोट मेड फ्रॉम लॉग्स ऑफ वुड टाइड टुगेदर. सच टाइप ऑफ लॉग बोट्स. इफ़ द सी इज़ रफ, अगर समुंदर में काफ़ी अगर तेज़ लहरें उठे तो वो वेरी हाई टाइड्स एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स अगर हो तो ये फिशरमैन के लिए समय बहुत ही ख़राब रहता है। These logs boats do not go very far. ये इस तरह की जो बोट्स है वो ज़्यादा दूर तक नहीं जा सकती. If the wind is helpful, they travel about 4 kilometer in 1 hour. Now here given these log boats can travel 4 किलोमीटर इन 1 आवर. दैट मीन्स ये जो बोट है, लॉग बोट है, वो 1 घंटे में 4 किलोमीटर तक ही जा सकती है. नाउ देयर आर 2 क्वेश्चन दैट वी हैव टू सॉल्व हियर. हाउ लॉन्ग विल दे टेक टू गो अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 10 किलोमीटर. अगर उनको 10 किलोमीटर तक जाना है तो वो कितना टाइम लेंगे. लेकिन हमें पता है 1 आवर यानी 1 आवर में कितना किलोमीटर जाते हैं, 4 किलोमीटर. सो लेट अस सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. As given there, in 1 hour the boat travel. That means 4 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल्स इन 1 आवर यानी 1 घंटे में कितने किलोमीटर जाती है, 4 किलोमीटर. सो 2 आवर्स में कितने किलोमीटर जाएगी. सो ऑब्वियसली इसका डबल हो जाएगा. दैट मीन्स 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 किलोमीटर, दैट इज 8 किलोमीटर. नाउ यहाँ पे देखो, जैसे 8 किलोमीटर और हमको निकालना क्या है, कितना निकालना है, 10 किलोमीटर कितने घंटे में जाती है. So 8 किलोमीटर इज ऑलरेडी हियर. नाउ वी नो 1 आवर इज इक्वल टू 4 किलोमीटर. यानी अगर हम इसके 2 मीटर कर दे तो हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा. लेकिन ये कब होगा, 4 किलोमीटर यानी 2 किलोमीटर कितने में जाएगा. सो 2 किलोमीटर यानी 4 का हाफ हो गया तो 1 का भी हाफ हो जाएगा. 4 का हाफ हो गया 2 तो 1 का कितना हो जाएगा, 1/2. सो इन हाफ आवर दैट इज is equal to 1/2 multiply by 4. So 4 divided by 2. So here, so 4 2 1s are 2 or 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So answer is 2 kilometer. So here is 8 kilometer in 2 hour and 2 kilometer in half hour. It means 8 plus 2. That means 8 kilometer plus 2 kilometer. 8 kilometer is travel in 2 hour and 2 kilometer travel in half hour. So 8 plus 2 is 10 kilometer. Is equal to 2 hour and half hour. That means 2 hour, 2 and half hour. So in 2 and half hour the boat will travel 10 kilometer. Now second question, guess how far you can go in 1 hour if you walk fast. क्या आप गेस कर सकते हो, अगर आप 1 घंटे में अगर आप फास्ट वॉक करोगे, जल्दी जल्दी चलोगे तो आप कितने दूर जा सकते हो. तो I think I can walk 4 to 5 kilometer if I walk fast.